Hey guys, so I know it's probably not exactly what you guys want, but for the short time I had, that's kind of what I could get going. I threw together a junk shifter cable. It's trash. It's stretched out. It's just not any good. It's not right for the application. So I got one on order. I'm gonna redo it. We'll do a better ride along, and maybe we'll run around and thrash the streets a little more. The truck did start overheating through the water pump belt, and this carburetor, I don't know, sometimes it acts completely fine, and then sometimes it's ridiculous. But I'm on the search for another carburetor, so we'll do videos on that too, and a little bit of how I tune carburetors in. But I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned.